Hey, 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 guys. What's up? What's up? It's your girl, Georgette again, bringing you another video. How y'all doing out there? The countdown is on to kick 2020 out the door. Yeah? You guys are happy to kick 2020 out the door? Oh my gosh. So many people are happy to kick this person, this year, this thing out the door. So guys, welcome. And if you're new to me, guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, I strive to inspire you and to motivate you. And in doing so, you may just become a different person and be transformed. Yes. And at the end, please, not now, if you haven't subscribed, smash it in at the end. Leave a comment. Let's interact with each other. You can share the video and turn your notifications on so that you know when I do bring a video, which I do every day. So guys, let's chit chat. Let's chat about, why do we second guess ourselves? We all second guess ourselves. I do that. If there is a business deal, business to get into, whatever it is, even to take a drive on a trip, we tend to second guess ourselves. Why is that? Why do we do that? Is it because of fear of failure? Yeah, I think so. I think we second guess ourselves because we're not certain of what we're getting into. I think I did a video a long time ago about when you're fearful, it's because you don't have all the information. This one is about second guessing ourselves because I find myself, I used to do it a lot. I don't anymore, but I still just perhaps a little bit, should I? We ask the question, should I do that? Should I go here? Should I talk to this person? We second guess ourselves, and one of the things that I have learned about second guessing is you go by evidence. When you start to second guess yourself that you can't do something, go by the evidence that you have had in your life, that you have been through, whether a rough period, whether it's a relationship, whether it's money, business, whatever it is. What you do, you look for. I just did this today. I was talking to my daughter about it about 5 years ago when I had to close the door for my business. And I said, and look at us 5 years later, I made it through. So what you do, you look for evidence in your life whether it's a relationship, whether you came out of a relationship and you thought you were broken, and here you are today, this whole man, this whole woman have an amazing relationship or ready to take on a relationship or whatever it is, And so you go by evidence, like in the court of law. Even if someone committed a crime and the evidence is not there, you cannot be convicted. But if the evidence is there, you will be convicted. So I would say to you guys, apply that to your life. Look at your life and look for evidence when you were at the brink of losing it all. When you were there, when you had nothing and you pulled through. When you thought you was not gonna make it to see another day, when you couldn't pay the bills, but someone came in the nick of time and assisted you. Because, resources are sent to us, but it comes through many forms. It comes through other persons. It comes through many, many ways. Like in the mornings, one of my affirmations is that today is a new day. I thank you for this new day of resources, new opportunities. But those opportunities and resources can come to you in many, many ways. They can come to you, and so I look for myself. I look for evidence where I've started a business before and done very well. and start a business before, and I had to close the doors. But am I going to go with the evidence of the bad or the negative? No. I'm looking for the evidence where I excelled, because I'm here now. And it's the grace of God that has brought me here. Yeah. And so I look for those evidence, and I would say, Lord, you are my source, and you send the resources to me. And so I look for those evidence. Should I do this? Should I do the next? I have the evidence that no matter what, I make it through, guys. And you are perfect where you at right now in your life. I don't know where you are, but as the year is coming to an end, wherever you are, you're at the right place. You're at the right place to attract the right people in your life, the right influential people in your life, the right opportunities in your life, the right resources in your life. And so this is what you have to tell yourself, that it doesn't matter where I'm at. I'm not going to second guess myself. Because what second guessing does, it sort of bring you to a halt where you don't want to go and do anything, because you're like, well, this is not working. Oh my God. But like I said before, look for evidence in your life that there has been time when things have not worked and you pull through. Yeah, there are times when you question yourself, should I or should not? And you found the strength and the faith to go through, and it worked out. Yeah? And so guys, that's it in a nutshell. Why do we second guess? It's because of fear of failure. Why do we second guess? Because we have failed perhaps at that thing before, but we pull through. I've failed at many things, but here I am. I've pulled through. And so when you second guess yourself, you bring yourself to a halt. I don't know if I should do a video today. I did a video yesterday for my YouTube channel. That'll be okay. I don't know if I should go live. I don't know what to talk about. And you second guess and you second guess yourself. And when you do that, you bring yourself to a halt. Stop second guessing yourself by looking for evidence. There are many persons out there that are doing the very thing that you're second guessing yourself to do. That's another evidence that I look for. I look at persons that I hold as my mentors, that they have pulled through, that they have pushed through all the obstacles. And if that person was almost homeless, if that person was sleeping in their car, look at them now. That's evidence. Guys, believe me, it all boils down to the evidence. And that's why when you choose your mentor, you should have evidence that they have been at a place and now they have risen above. So guys, you look for evidence. Evidence is big. I just told you about the court of law. If there's no evidence, and this person could be guilty as charged. If the evidence is not there, you can't charge them. You can't lock them up. You can't put them in prison. But if the evidence is there, then bye-bye. And the same for ourselves. If you have evidence, if there's someone that you hold as a role model or a mentor, and the evidence is there and they are telling you to do this particular thing because they have been there, and you can go back and see videos of them where they were at a place where nothing was happening in their lives and they have excelled and propelled to another level, then that's the evidence that should keep you pushing forth. So guys, as the year is almost ended, my gosh, 2020 is over. Let's kick 2020 out the door. What evidence do you have to continue to press on? Look for those evidence. What evidence that you came upon a roadblock in your life and that you found a way out of that roadblock, and now here you are today. I have had so many roadblock, guys, and here I am today. And all I do, I look at the evidence. I just did that today, and that's why I decided to do this video. When I was just talking, and I took my daughter on the beach. We had a beautiful sunny day. Then the rain started to rain. Then the sun came out, and I said, "Baby girl, you better try to get a day on the beach before you go back off to school." And so we went on the beach. She got some lovely pics, and I did my thing. We had a wonderful time, refreshing air. And so I was just going back in time. You don't go back to talk about the negative. You go back and look for the evidence that you have made it through that hardship, that you've made it through that hard times. And so now that you may be going through a hard time now, right now as the year is ending, you may not be at a place that you have desired to be at, yeah? But look for the evidence that you have pulled through some rough times in your life. And that's what gives you the fuel to push you to continue on the journey of life. Guys, we all are living this life, and we all experience life. And all you need is the evidence to keep going. All you need is the evidence, guys. And guys, I'm not going to be long. I'm going to be out of here. Look at your life and look for the evidence. Whether it's a broken heart, your fella just left you, your lady just left, whether it's a divorce or whatever it is, just look for the evidence that you can do this on your own. That you've managed on your own before that person entered your life. Whatever it is, it's business, it's money, you don't have the funds to pay the bills. Just look at previous times where you made it through, and that the divine, the higher power, God, the universe will bring you through. Look for those evidence, guys. Guys, it's your girl, Georgette. As always, I send you love and light. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, this is the time to subscribe to your girl. Smash it in, guys. Leave a comment. Let's interact. Interact with me. Leave me a comment. I certainly respond to all your comments. Like, share, put your notifications on, and keep watching. Videos are popping up right now. Keep watching, guys. I love you. And I'm going to leave you a free gift in the link below. Grab your holiday gift, guys. I love you. It's your girl, Georgette. Bye-bye. Mwah.